subscribe to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. For today's video is very simple and it's easy to make. I will be making balloon beads. So to all our subscribers that's always there, welcome back. Thank you guys for coming, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. So this is the one you need, only one 260Q or modeling balloon. So first, before you pump air, make sure you stretch, okay? And then you need your pump. Just like that, leaving this much, okay, about 2 fists. So we use balloon beads for most of our videos, okay? So just like that, you squeeze, and then what you're gonna do is pinch and then twist. So if you want to make this a little bigger round or smaller, it's up to you. So basically, you want to make sure that they're all about the same size. So make another bead. So now, make sure you hold on to your first bead, never let go, okay? Just keep doing like that until you get to the very end. So now there's too much pressure right here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this off. And now all you need to do is tie both ends. And there you go, there is your balloon beads. Alright guys, I hope you like this and learn something from this short video. It's very simple to make and it's easy, and you can, as I said, you can use this as an additional background to your bouquet or even your garland. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is Fandom NY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye!